All right, welcome back to the channel, Sean the Cook. Today's menu, we're going to be doing chicken fajitas. I have garlic, paprika, cumin, chili lime, our sliced chicken breast, of course, salt, orange juice with 2 oranges squeezed with a little bit of lemon in there. I have some sliced Roma tomatoes and bell pepper and onion. So let's go ahead and do this marinade and let's get started. Tablespoon of the chili lime. A tablespoon of cumin, about a tablespoon, half tablespoon of paprika, a little bit of the oil, and then we're just going to give that a mix. All right, so we're back here at the pan getting this nice and hot and warming it up for about 3 or 4 minutes. Have our chicken. You can let this chicken marinate in the fridge for a couple hours, would be good. And once we do this, just like any kind of stir-fried thing, it's going to go quick. So I'm going to brown the meat first. I'll put some oil. Turn that around. And then we're going to go in with the chicken. So now I'm going to take the chicken out, let the pan get hot again, and I'm going to put in the veggies. All right, so we're going to put our veggies in. All right, I'm going to put a little bit more cumin, just a little bit more paprika. And with these, remember, you don't want to overcook them all the way, so I like to leave them a little bit crunchy. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. So let's put the chicken back in. Get a little bit of that orange juice and lemon. All right, it's been about 5-6 minutes. And let's go plate these up. All right, so we finished our chicken fajitas. I have the beans and rice that I did separately. Let me know if you want to see a video on that. I can do that. And let's plate this together. So, put rice. Black beans, so there you have it, an easy meal you can do at home during the weeknight. Beans, rice, chicken fajitas. Enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.